Third BSc Computer Science 5B paper title Software Engineering. Okay, what is software engineering? Suppose if you want to enter into the any software organization, you need to know the basic concepts. That means how to develop the project, the way to going to deliver from starting to ending, what are the criteria you have to be followed, what are the systematic approach you have to be followed. These are in the dealing in software engineering. Okay. Let us see the software engineering word, the word made up of two words, software and engineering. First, software. Software is more than a just a programming code. A program is an executable code which serves some computational purpose. Software is considered to be collection of executable programming code, associated libraries and documentations. Software when made for a specific requirement is called software product. That means nothing but the software is a collection of programs, data structures and documentation. And next word is engineering. Engineering on the other hand, it is all about developing product using well-defined scientific principles and methods. Software engineering definition. Uh, the IEEE defines the software engineering as the application of a systematic, disciplined, quantifiable approach to the development, operation, and maintenance of software. That is the application of engineering to software. That means software engineering is defined as you have to follow a systematic, disciplined, quantifiable approach to what are product you have to be developed and what are the operations you have to perform the product, what are the maintenance you are doing after completion of the project, and each and every state of uh, you to follow the systematic, disciplined and quantifiable approach. The German scientist software engineering defined as software engineering is the establishment and use of sound engineering principles in order to obtain economically software that is reliable and work efficiency on real machines. Next, software overview. Software overview means the overall development of the software product. You have to maintain some steps, a series of steps to be followed to design and develop a software product efficiently. In this process, you have first you have to take the requirements. In this phase of requirements, first you have to gather the requirements. All possible requirements of the system to be developed are captured in this phase. After gathering the requirements, next stage is the system analysis. In this step, the developers decided a roadmap of other plan and analysis the scope of the project. Then next the system design. System design, in this system design, based on the requirement gathering and system analysis, the engineers prepare the software design. After designing the software, next the coding design. This is the programming phase. The implementation of software design starts in terms of writing the programming code in any suitable programming language. After completion of the coding, next phase is the testing. In this phase, the code is tested by testing experts for error-free code. After testing is completing the development. Once the functionally and non-functionally testing is done, the product is developed in customer environment. That is called development. After development, next the maintenance. In this phase, uh, any issues which comes up in the client environment, to fix those issues, patches are released. Okay. Next, updates. The software is maintained by software team timely by the updating the code according to the changes take place in the user and the environment also. Okay, these are the overall software development view you have to follow. Next, software engineering process paradigm. Paradigm refers to the methods and steps which are taken while designing the software. There are many methods proposed and implemented in this, which helps the software product to build. It consists of the generally requirement gathering, software design, and programming. The software design and programming paradigm. Programming paradigm is the subset of software design paradigm, which is furtherly a subset of software development paradigm. The software design paradigm, it includes designing and maintenance and programming. These are the category of design paradigm. And next, the programming paradigm. This is closely related to the programming aspects, that is coding, testing, and integration. Next, software development life cycle. This is called SDLC. SDLC means software development life cycle. These are the overall the to develop the software. You have to develop the software. The SDLC activities are SDLC provides a series of steps to be followed to design and develop a software product efficiently. SDLC framework includes the following steps. Generally, the communication, requirement gathering, feasibility study, system analysis, software design, coding, testing, integration, implementation, operation and maintenance. These are the SDLC follow these steps. Let us see detailed software development life cycle. First, number one is communication. In the first, the user interacts initiate the request for the desired software product. The user generally contacts the service providers to negotiate the terms and conditions and submit the request to the service providers. Then next, requirement gathering. In this phase, the software team discusses the various stakeholders from problem domain and bring out as much as information as possible on their requirements. After collecting the requirements, next they have the feasibility study. Uh, After requirements gathering, the team comes up with a rough plan of the software process. It is analyzed if the project is financially, practically, and technologically feasible for this organization to take up. Finally, they prepare the feasibility study report. After completion of the feasibility study, they have to design the system. They have the system analysis. In this phase, the team analyzes the system. It includes understanding of software product limitations, learning system related problems, or changes to be done in existing system. Finally, the team analyzes the scope of the project and plans the schedule. Next, coding. This is the programming phase. In this, writing programming code by using any suitable programming language. After coding is complete, then testing. In this phase, the code is tested by the testing experts for the error-free code, and then integration. Integration means in this phase, the integration of the software with the outer world entities. Next, implementation. In this phase, uh, installing the software on user machines for tested for portability and adaptability. Then the implementation is over. Next, operations and maintenance. Operations and maintenance. In this phase, uh, confirms that software operations and documentations are prepared. The software is maintained timely by adopting the code. These are the overall software development life cycles. Software project management. Generally, the IT companies engage the software development can split into two parts, then software creation and software project management. The project can be generally the project can be categorized as characterized as every project may have a unique and distinct goal. Project is not routine activity or day-to-day operations. Projects comes with a starting time and ending time. Project ends when its goals is achieved, hence it is a temporary phase in the lifetime of an organization. Projects needs adequate resources in terms of time, manpower, finance, material and knowledge bank. The software project. A software project is a complete procedure of software development from requirement gathering to testing and maintenance at the overall phases of the software development, carried out according to the execution methodologies in a specified period of time to achieve the intended software product. The software project manager. The software product manager is a person who undertakes the responsibilities of execution the software project. The project manager thoroughly aware of all the phases of SDLC. The project managers never directly involved in producing the end product, but controls and managing the activities involved in the production. And a project manager monitor the development process, prepares and execute the various plans, organize the necessary resources and maintenance, communicating among all the team members. These are the activities involved in project managers. Okay. Next, software project managers. Let us see few responsibilities that a project managers shoulders. This is based on two categories: managing people and managing projects. The managing people act as a project leader, liaison with stakeholders, managing human resources, setting up reporting hierarchy, etc. And based on managing projects, defining and setting up project scope, managing project management activities, monitoring progress and performances, risk analysis at any phase, at every phase, take necessary steps to avoid or outcome of problems, act as a spokesperson. These are all activities are related to the project manager. Project management activities. The project management have so many activities which contains planning of project, scope of the software project, estimation of cost, scheduling of tasks and events, and resources management. These are activities involved in project management. They categorized project planning, scope management, and project estimation. Thank you.